Hello everyone, welcome back to Anush's YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to resolve the issue of input microphone. If you are recording and you are not recording your sound, the microphone is not working for recording your sound. This video is going to help you if you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11 or any version of you are using. This works on any apps that records if it is stopped to record your sound. So guys, do subscribe if this video is going to help you. So let us start. We are going to solve the issue. So guys, this is where when you are recording using application and you're not recording voice, this is where the issue is. This is where the issue is. So it is the input. You see, choose device for speaking or audio. Microphone array. You see, internal smart sound technology for digital microphone, default device. Then pair. So but that is where the issue is for input here. So now the issue is resolved. Thank you for watching. If you're more interested, do subscribe for more things about Windows 11.